Samsung unveils major upgrades for Galaxy S25 series in Q2 earnings report. In its Q2 earnings report and subsequent earnings call yesterday, Samsung executives officially confirmed the development of the Exynos 2500 chip and provided a sneak peek at what's in store for the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series. The company emphasized significant enhancements to camera and display features, areas where Samsung has consistently led the market. Additionally, they're gearing up for innovations in application processors and memory to boost AI performance, promising a premium user experience. However, it's still uncertain if these upgrades will apply to the entire Galaxy S25 lineup or just the Ultra model. One of the key highlights is the rumored Galaxy S25 Ultra, which may feature a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto camera and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, marking a substantial leap from the S24 Ultra's 10-megapixel and 12-megapixel lenses. These upgrades would complement the already expected 50-megapixel 5x periscope camera, positioning the Ultra as a photography powerhouse. Meanwhile, the standard Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus models might not receive similar camera upgrades, according to rumors. On the processing side, the Galaxy S25 lineup could be split between Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Samsung's in-house Exynos 2500 chip, depending on whether Samsung's foundry improves production yields. The S25 Ultra is also expected to ship with a robust 16GB of RAM, while the standard S25 may come with a slightly larger 6.36-inch display, an increase from the 6.2-inch and 6.1-inch screens seen in previous generations. Details about the display technology are still sparse, but many hope that the standard and Plus models will inherit the Gorilla Glass armor from the S24 Ultra, which helps minimize screen reflections. What do you think of these potential upgrades? Share your thoughts in the comments below.